สู่ช่องของเรานะคะใครยังที่ไม่ได้กดติดตามเนี่ยฝากกดติดตามกดไลค์แล้วก็กดแชร์ก็ได้ค่ะใครที่กด subscribe ไปแล้วกดไลค์แล้วก็เพิ่มวิวให้เราตลอดก็ขอบคุณนะคะก็วันนี้กะว่าจะมาทำ vlog พาชมห้องของเรานั่นเองนะคะก็นั่นแหละเดี๋ยวในคลิปนี้จะลองพูดภาษาอังกฤษดูนะคะก็ไม่รู้ว่าจะทำได้ดีแค่ไหนเดี๋ยวก็เริ่มเลยไหมอีกอย่างหนึ่งนอกจากถ่าย vlog พาดูห้องแล้วอ่ะก็จะมาลองด้วยว่าไอ้กล้องตัวเนี้ยที่กำลังถ่ายอยู่เนี่ยมันแบบว่าใช้งานได้ดีไหมเวลาเราใช้ตัวนี้ vlog เพราะปกติแล้วมันเป็น action camera ใช่ไหมเขาเอาติดหมวกหรือติดอะไรออกไปถ่ายกิจกรรมโลดโผนกิจกรรมกลางแจ้งแต่ว่าตอนนี้เราเอามาใช้ตรงจุดประสงค์การใช้งานของมันเนาะก็คือถ่ายในร่มก็คือ indoor แล้วก็นั่นแหละก็ไม่ได้มีแอคชั่นอะไรเยอะแยะมากมายนะคะเดี๋ยวก็ลองดูว่าจะเป็นยังไงค่ะ Hello everyone welcome to my channel today I'm going to do room tour and more than that I'm not just record about stuff and setting in my room I will let you guys see the performance of this camera at the front of me that I am using it to record I am talking right now it is Gopro Hero9 I just got this and I'm broke now so sad and yeah in this vlog I'm gonna try to speak English as much and as possible as I can I never do the whole vlog in English before but in this vlog I will try yeah and I need your support if you guys can support me for some please click subscribe for me and thumbs up and if you are kind person please click share for me and I hope you enjoy it let's get started okay first I want to tell you about the size of this room it's 2.5 square meters wide and 4.5 square meters long and this is how small this room is this room separates into two sections the first section is like upper part it's gonna be a bedroom part like I sleep on that bed and I use those places as my bedroom where I'm standing here it is my studio I can say that yeah because I work here I will get start from the bedroom section first let's step up welcome everyone to my bedroom okay let's get start from the mirror here but in my bedroom there is a mirror here a full body mirror I'm gonna be around here and then just check myself in this kind of mirror and I have a soft brown carpets down there they cover the floor and it's gonna make me more comfy and I have this floor chair I don't know how to call this what do you call this I don't know when I want to read some book I'm gonna grab a book from there from my studio and then I'm gonna sit here and read it this is my brother's pillow I just picked from his room here because he's not in his room right now just wanna create some good setting in my room at the front of the camera next is the bed and there is a single bed I think it's only one person can sleep in this bed even I'll let you see as only one person can lying on or maybe two if two you guys have to cuddle each other like I don't know yeah and there is my bed there is the blankets that I've got since I was the freshman the first year student in the university, and then I still use it back here in my parents' house. A side is pink and another side is green right here. And I use this to cover another layer of the bed sheets here, like a dot brown bed sheet. And I've got 2 pillows here. There's a new one. I got this from my brother, and this little cute bear, white bear, is from cartoon, but I don't watch cartoon. I got this from my Singaporean friend Chiang Wei. If you are watching this, I still cuddle him every night, almost every night. And I have hard pillow here. It's a little dirty right now. Getting dirty. It's getting like not that clean. It's too long already. I got this from a boy when I was in the middle school, I think. I'm not sure, on Valentine's Day or on my graduation day in the middle school. Not sure. And there is a pillow blankets. This can be both pillow or blankets. Yes, that's all for my beds. I love this bed. I love my bed. When I want to work here on the bed, I will turn on this lamp, the lamps here, and under the lamps I have the clothes that I haven't ironed it yet. These are the household stuff. It's gonna make my room smell better. I don't want my room to get smelly. That's why I have this in my room. Under the lamp is a 4-layer storage. The first layer is for underwear. The second one is my top outfits. The most of them are the tank top. The tank top like I am wearing right now. And there is my stuff like the bag and my head stuff. I don't know how to call this. Maybe someone knows, but I don't know. And my socks, my new socks, and my name tag here. There is my name. And the last layer is the stuff that I don't know where I should keep it, and then I put things in here. Like it's gonna be my stuff, like the random stuff in here. Yeah. And I also like put every other random things that I cannot take it in my storage on my wardrobe here. And next I will go to here, my little tiny wardrobe or clothes set. Hello. Yes, and it is in my wardrobe or my clothes that I use it to hang my clothes or where I put my clothes, my top, my outfits in here. There is for underwear and there is a shorts but long pants or trousers or long jeans. I'm gonna hang on here. I have some dress for work here and some top that I want to hang it on, and my sweater. Yeah, just like this. And there is a graduation costume. We've waiting for the commencement day for so long. Everyone it's keep postponed again because of the pandemic situation in Thailand and in Chiang Mai. I'm sorry guys that I have to take my blue sweater off because it's pretty sweating in here, but I don't have air condition. Please understand me. And the next one I have these 3 clothes hang. I hang some of my clothes and the bag that I usually take it when I go outside of the house here, like, or my pajamas sometime, my short here, my workout short, my bag, my purse, yeah, stuff like that. Now here I got shower cream. I don't know what is this in English. The laundry stuff. You use this when you do laundry. You just put in the washing machine and it's gonna help you clean your clothes and it's gonna make your clothes smell nice. And next I'm gonna talk about this. I have a cloth basket here and I have a waste basket here or trash basket. And I have a shelf here for my makeup and I've got a mirror. I use this mirror when I want to make up my face. And there is my makeup. And there is my makeup as well. And there is my skincare. And there is how my bedroom looks like. For my bedroom tour, and then I'm gonna move to another section of this big room. Let's move on to my studio. Okay, I'm in my studio right now. What are there in my studio? Let's get started from my desktop. Do you call this desktop? Maybe? Yeah, the table that I use for working. I use this kind of place to work. This is my selfie lamp. I need it when I have to work. And I have a laptop here and I've got my phone, my iPad, and there is Gopro box and my wallet, the fan remote. I need a new one. This has no cream inside anymore. And I've got my glasses. I use these glasses when I work on computer. In the box and I have this stuff, pens and this Bible that my American friend gave me that I rarely read it. Another part that is important for my job is here. There is another corner for my working stuff. Yes, and I have printer here, a bottle of coins here, and the materials that I use to teach the kids. I don't know how to call this. I'm sorry. And I have files, 2 files for the kids' paper or the flag tips sheet. Something like that. And I've got some book here, both academic and just a book to read. I've just got this. I have this. This is my yellow hats that I've got, and I've got this one 2 years ago maybe. Yeah, 2 years ago. Since 2019, I joined the marathon in the university. And I've got headphone here, and I've got my head stuff here, and the big technology stuff here, and pens, markers stuff, and teaching material here that I made it by myself. I've got this and arterial box and some of medicine. When I got sick, I just keep it here, and I've got this kind of box, an arterial box like this. It's like a DIY. It's cute, right? And I note on the box cover here what topic of the material in this box. And this is my fan. My studio is not just a studio for me. It's more than that. It can be my living room and my studio at the same time. Because as you can see, I have my guitar here. Actually, it is not my guitar. It's my brother's. But my brother's doesn't have time to play it, so I take it here. I hang in here. Let me play some song for you. I forget to talk about this chair. So guys, this chair, I built it by myself. Of myself that I make this chair by myself. And yeah, the last thing that I have to talk about is this one. It is called keyboard. Let me show you my keyboard. Ta-da! Yes, I am not good at keyboard yet. Tour vlog is done already. Thank you guys for watching since the beginning till this time, and who don't subscribe me yet, please support me by subscribe and thumbs up. And I hope you enjoy touring in my room. Hope you enjoy it. I just want to talk about the camera GoPro that I use for vlog. The battery of the camera loads so fast for me. That's kind of fail. That's kind of sad. ค่ะ ทุกคนคะก็จบแล้วนะคะสำหรับการพาทัวร์ห้องก็หวังว่าทุกคนจะสนุกนะคะกับบล็อกของเรายังไงก็ฝากกดติดตามแล้วก็กดไลค์กดแชร์ให้ด้วยนะคะขอบคุณค่ะThank you for watching, guys. Bye.